Hey everybody, this is Abby from Realistic Kitchen and Gardens, and today we are making a softened butter, also called compound butter or self-leveling butter when I grew up. This is specifically thyme and chive from my garden from this past summer using dried herbs. So we're going to start by picking out the dry crispy pieces, 2 cups worth of chives once it's all chopped up. And this is thyme that I dried from my garden. I got 7 bundles this size from 2 thyme plants, so this is an excellent herb to start growing and using, crushing the bundle, and then strip them off the individual little twigs, and of course then pluck out the twigs. You could alternately think ahead and pull off all the leaves when they're green and fresh when you first pick them in the late summer, but I didn't plan that. So then we're going to get 11 ounces of avocado oil and 2 pounds of butter. This is softened room temperature butter. And then we're going to cut this into little half moon slices, just enough for my food processor to be able to handle. We're going to turn the food processor on low to start breaking up that butter and then slowly drizzle in that avocado oil. It looks a lot faster because I've sped it up. But this is basically to emulsify everything, and you want to break up all those chunks of butter. If you leave them in, it will sincerely be think of it like cookie dough ice cream. You'll just all of a sudden hit solid firm butter in the middle. So repeatedly take the lid off, use a spoon, mix, feel the texture of it. You'll feel the clumps in the butter. Midway through, add in your herbs. I first did the thyme and then I did the chives. You can also add in more salt, but I used salted butter, so I didn't bother adding salt or pepper. And then once it's all softened up, I have these 1 pound containers. This texture is so nice and smooth and lovely. Again, it's almost like yogurt at room temperature, but it firms up very nicely. Once you add these into your individual containers, just pop lids on them and put them in the fridge and let them settle. Or I put it in scrambled eggs for the oil to cook them in. I even use it as a pre-seasoning for some other stuff. Here's the ultimate test for you guys, is putting it on nice fresh toast out of the toaster. Flawlessly spreads, doesn't catch on the toast, and practically instantly melts. This has a nice, slightly oniony, savory flavor from the thyme and the chive. Again, the possibilities are endless. If you like this kind of stuff, please like, comment, and subscribe for more.